If you want to use custom rosters in College Football 27, there are few limitations you should know about. The game doesn't let you download other players' custom rosters online, so you won't find an option for that in Download Center. You'll only see things like team builder teams, playbooks, and sliders. If you want to make your own custom roster, go to Rosters and then select Manage Players. One thing to keep in mind is that real college players can't be edited because of licensing restrictions. Instead, you need to look for the generic or fake players that are included in the roster. These players are usually low rated, so scrolling down to players with ratings below 70 can help, although it's not guaranteed. Once you find an editable player, select them and you will be able to change their ratings, attributes, and other details. You can repeat this for as many players as you would like to create your custom roster. After you're done editing, make sure to save your roster file. You can also use Team Builder if you want to create an entirely custom school with your own players. Team Builder teams are downloaded separately and can be used in Play Now. To load your saved content, go to Manage Files and load the roster or Team Builder file that you want to use. Once it's loaded, head over to Game Modes and select Play Now. If you're using a custom roster, it will automatically be applied once it's loaded. If you're using a Team Builder team, simply scroll through the available schools until you find the custom team you downloaded. That's all you need to know about creating and using custom rosters in College Football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.